You see a photo with a color grade you really like, and you want that same look on your own image. Photoshop has a feature almost nobody talks about. Once you try it, you won't go back. It's called match color. What it does is compare the color distribution of two images. Then it moves the reference image's distribution onto your base image. A filter is a fixed recipe. Match color mix is a fresh one, following your reference. So if you pick a good reference, the grade is already half done. First, prepare the base image you want to grade. Get the exposure right before you start. Match color moves the color relationship. It doesn't rescue exposure. Bring in your color reference image. Ideally, the reference has a similar light and dark structure to your base image, so the result doesn't look off. Turn off the reference layer's visibility. That just makes the result easier to see. It doesn't affect the calculation at all. Match color reads the layer's pixel data, not what's visible on screen. Select the base layer. Make sure you're on the base layer first. Match color rewrites the pixels of that layer directly. Go to Image, Adjustments, Match color. For source, choose the current file. Source is asking where to take the reference grade from. Both images are in the same file, so pick the current one. For layer, choose your color reference. Once you select that layer, its color distribution becomes the template. Image options is where you fine-tune the grade. Luminance controls brightness. Color intensity controls saturation. Fade is the slider that pulls everything back. If it feels too strong, drag fade to the right. Neutralize removes color cast automatically. If you want to keep the reference's color character, leave it unchecked. The real key to this whole feature is the reference image. Every photo you've ever saved because you like the color is a ready-made grading recipe. The hard part of color grading was never the sliders. It's knowing what you're aiming for